I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we adding some important news.
Arrival of the U.S. delegation for Islamabad talks. A high-powered U.S. delegation leads by U.S. Vice President H.E.J.D. Vance along with the special envoy Mr. Steve Witkoff and Mr. Jared Kushner arrived in Islamabad today to participate in Islamabad talks. The U.S. delegation was received by Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, Chief of Defense Forces and Chief of Army Staff Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, and Minister of Interior Syed Mohsin Razan Naqvi upon arrival. Welcoming the U.S. Vice President, the DFM-FM commanded U.S. commitment to achieving lasting regional and global peace and stability. DPM-FM expressed the hope that parties would engage constructively and retarded Pakistan desires continue, facilitating the parties towards reaching lasting and durable solution to the conflict.
For updates, connect with Saiba News HD.